Good morning, welcome to this new video. Today we will show you how to assemble this load cell mounting kit.
So we start to assemble the kit. First the spacer, load cell. Pay attention to the direction of the load cell. Make sure the load cell is straight. Okay, and then put this one, the ball, and then put the long bolt there. 3 nuts on the bolt. Then okay, screw the bolt on the base. Until the upper plate is straight, and then lock the nut on the base. Make sure the upper plate is leveled, and then you can tighten the base nut. Then you need to charge the cell with the full capacity to set this nut. And you have to lock the nuts when the load cell is compressed with the maximum capacity. And then you have to lock the nuts. So we have to install ground connection. Okay.
Thanks for watching. If you need some help, please contact us by phone or through our website.